I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. To be honest, I don't know where to begin because I left you hung for the 5 months, I guess, for the kitchen reveal video. So I'm sorry guys for being AWOL. Pun dah tak ingat dah kat mana I berhenti from the previous video. So today I'm going to do a kitchen reveal video that you are waiting for. Hopefully, without further ado, let's do the kitchen tour or kitchen reveal for you guys. If I was mistaken, I tinggal hari tu video pasal the door. Going to change my door kitchen. Let's do the recap. Okay guys, I have huge project coming up. Can you see the door behind me? It's going to change. So I guess that's it. That's where I left you guys. I dah tukar lama dah pintu tu, tapi I tak ada masa nak buat video, because my hectic lifestyle right now. You have no idea what I've been through. But today, semua dah settle, semua dah siap. So everything is finished. So without further ado, let's do the kitchen reveal. So guys, ni adalah pintu yang I cakap hari tu dah tukar. This is my folding door, sesuai lah untuk tema farmhouse kan. So the frame is black as I said, dan see-through lah supaya I rasa macam claustrophobic because my kitchen is very small. So this is the door that I'm talking about in the previous video. So now let's come to the kitchen tour. So, mari kita masuk.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try and think.
So inilah dapur I bagi overall dulu. So jom kita mula bahagian sebelah sini. So as you can see, sebelah sini, okay, I dah pasang folding door. Lepas tu, kalau you nampak sebelah sini, I dah letak rak kat sini. Rak ni I beli kat IKEA. Lepas tu I gantung this gold railing for the, barang-barang dapur lah. So, I letak kat situ juga untuk ketchup, spices. I cat semua putih. And then, I letak blind sebelah sini. So, mari kita tengok sebelah sini. Lupa nak bagi tahu, I dah siapkan shape lap sebelah sini juga. So from the bottom all the way to here. So I tak buat sampai atas lah. And then sebelah sini, okay, I dah pasang shape lap sebelah situ juga. Okay, sampai atas tu. And I letak half curtain here. The pattern is really suit the farmhouse though. So ni half curtain. And then I letak hiasan sikit atas ni. So sebelah sini, this is my laundry area kinda. So sinilah yang paling banyak sekali display. From the previous video, I rasa shelf ni tak ada. So I juga install IKEA punya under cabinet lighting. Jadi dia ada lighting kat situ lah. So kabinet ni daripada IKEA, I install ni dah lama, memang dah ada. So this is the new edition. Dan sebelum ni tak ada shelf ni kan, I dah install shelf ni. Ni semua IKEA. And ada muat-muat je ruang dapur ni. Jadi I letak shelf kat situ dengan decoration tu. And then I install this folding shelf 2. I rasa this one is 90 centimeter, and this one is 60 centimeter, if I wasn't mistaken. Shelf ni I beli dekat Shopee. You boleh carilah, search dekat floating shelf. Everything yang you tengok sini semua daripada IKEA, Kaisen, Shopee. So and not forgetting this dryer and washer combo. Dah ada letak sini. So ada hiasan basket atas ni. Okay, basket ni I beli dekat Kaisen. This is from Kaisen. This is also Kaisen. This is from IKEA, and the pot is from Daiso. I guna pot yang sama, and this is the real plants. This is the only real plants. Then this one is fake one. I tukar kepada fake because I killed the previous live plants. So I letak je yang fake je. Then I ada palms fake plants here untuk tutup pipe belakang-belakang tu dengan plugs dan sebagainya. So this one is detergent punya bekas ni. I beli dekat Mr. DIY. Sangat cantik ya. Kalau you tengok dekat IKEA dia sangat mahal. Dekat SSF pun mahal. Tapi kalau you beli dekat DIY dia murah sikit. And this ginger vase, I guess it called, I beli dekat Shopee. So this one is from IKEA as well. And this one bekas this is Downy punya, I beli dekat Kaisen. So this is sebelah sini lah shelf. Under light tu memang dah lama dah install. Dan not forgetting the railing, I tukar juga, I install juga the gold railing. Dan I tukar debu kepada gold. Sebelum ni dia color silver, so I tukar kepada gold supaya dia tie in semualah. Jadi lebih sesuai color gold lah, sebab ini color gold, ini pun color gold. So this also from IKEA, the pots, the mug, and the, I don't know what this thing called, also from IKEA. This one from IKEA as well. Dan I beli bekas sabun ni, tray sabun dekat Daiso. And bekas tisu dekat Shopee. Tissue holder. Dan pasu besar ni I've bought from Kaisen. Everything include a flower also from Kaisen. And this cute little guy I've bought from Shopee. This is sebenarnya adalah eggs punya basket. So ni I saja je letak nak bagi nampak macam lawa. This is fake. So this is sebelah sini, and then kembali sebelah sini. Okay, I dah refinish the sheet lap atas tu, dan I install lampu, if you can see. Okay, lampu kat situ ada install semua tu. And then I letak blind kat sini. Peti ni je, I have no place to put. This is the only place that available. So I letak sini. Sebenarnya I nak letak satu direct dengan washer ni, tapi tak muat. Jadi terpaksa lah letak kat sini. Kalau dia letak sebelah sana, dia lagi cantik lah. Sebab dia slot kan. Tapi tak dapat. So this is my kitchen. Kita go around sekali lagi. And my folding door. I rasa itu saja dapur ni. Dapur ni took me untuk finish dia dalam masa 2 bulan. Sebenarnya kitchen ni dah fully finish. Makeover dia bulan 5 atau 6. Sekarang ni dah bulan Disember. Dah 5 bulan sebenarnya. I'm sorry again because I am too busy untuk buat video, and finally I cari masa untuk upload video ni kat YouTube. So this is my kitchen review lah. So guys, I think that's all for today. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. So bye bye.